Welcome back. Now, oftentimes there might be some pressure to hit the town, spend New Year's Eve amid some massive people, massive city crowds. Nothing beats ringing in the new year, though, with a cozy night at home oftentimes.
Yeah, it's just nice to do that every once in a while. So here with those last-minute dishes that you can whip up for yourself and your family is Lori Rogers. We all know her. Good morning, Washington. Here is ChefLorious.
Yes.
Morning. Welcome. Good morning.
Another beautiful spread.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
You can just take this and put this on the table for this evening.
Just wheel it on
yeah,
out.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the thing is, everything on here takes less than an hour to make. So if it's 6:30 and you decide I do want to have a party, or if it's 10 o'clock and you decide I do want to have a party, or if you're like me and you have kids and you're not going out, you can have a party at home.
Guilty.
I love it.
So you want to take basics.
Okay.
Okay, and build on basics. This is cheese balls. Okay, now you're going to start with cream cheese. Cream cheese is your best friend.
You made these.
I made all of
Okay.
these, yeah. So this is a bacon jam cheese ball. So what you take is your cream cheese, a little soft butter, and I also put in there a Gruyere cheese, mix in there, and any kind of chutney you want. Now I make a bacon and bourbon jam that I love,
Ooh.
that I mix in there, but you can get any type of chutney.
For something this size, because we were already talking about some of the ingredients, how much chutney are you putting in here?
About 3 to 4 tablespoons, but it's going to depend on how strong you want the flavor.
Okay. And this is like a container of the cream cheese?
Yes, so what I did, take 1 8-ounce stick of the cream cheese, let it soften, get really, really soft, and then this takes an hour to get firm back in the refrigerator. So all you need is the cream cheese in there soft, like I said, a little touch of butter, and then I put about 4 tablespoons or so of that bacon jam in there because I really wanted that bacon flavor to come through. I like bacon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we do.
You don't play around with bacon. And then this one is a garlic and herb, and so that's also as well taking, again, cream cheese, and then you're going to add to it Parmesan and Pecorino Romano, some fresh herbs, chop them up, put it in a ball, boom. And this is a spicy chipotle. You know, everybody knows I like to cook spicy.
Yeah, right.
So this has some hot pepper, some cayenne in there.
Because you want to offer a little bit of range, right?
Yeah, and it's got nuts on the
Cayenne.
outside.
Are these nuts roasted?
These are not, but they can be. It's up to you how you want to do it. You can roast them, and any nut will do. Any nut you want. You know, pick your nut.
Right.
I love it. That should be a bumper sticker or something. I don't know. All right.
Your wings.
Yes, those look phenomenal.
These are garlic and Parmesan wings made in the air fryer.
Okay.
So they take a total of 25 minutes.
And does that make them healthier?
No grease.
They say that, and I'm buying it.
We're spreading the word.
Spread the word.
I like it.
Okay, and then here we've got also an olive tapenade as well.
It looks
And
beautiful.
I'm going to show you how to make this.
Yeah.
You can make this in 5 minutes.
Really?
Let's do this
Yes.
because this is one of my favorites.
Okay, so all you want to do for olive tapenade, you just need a little food processor or a big one. I love this, my little friend. And you want olives, right? So I use red olives and green olives. I use more red than green, but that's because I like the calamatas a little bit better.
Right.
Okay. But whatever you like, you put your ratios in there. Okay, and then you're going to add about a clove of garlic, or two.
That's how I would want it.
And capers. Capers is where the saltiness comes from. Some people put anchovy paste or anchovy fillets in there instead. I'm not much of an anchovy person, and so you can actually leave it out. There you go. And then you're going to put a squeeze of lemon juice in there.
Dang,
Perfect.
That was aggressive.
That was how you
like
said
it.
it. Thank you. I
This is
love
how I
it.
am in the kitchen.
Talk to
Sorry.
the dry cleaner later. No, you're fine.
And then you're just going to start to pulse it up. Okay? And then once you've got it to the texture you want, because some people like it finer. This is I left it here to see a little thick.
Okay.
Depends on how you want it. Then you start adding your olive oil and just do a few little squirts in there.
Okay.
And then you can go back and boom.
And just do it to whatever kind of
whatever consistency you
consistency
want,
you want. Okay.
as salty as you want, and you've got yourself tapenade. And if you let it sit in the refrigerator for an hour, the flavors come together even better, but it's ready right now.
You've got a couple more dips here.
We've got spinach dip here, which is always a classic.
Yes.
20 minutes on the stovetop.
Okay.
Okay. And this is caramelized onion dip as well. Again, this takes about 20 minutes on the stovetop. The longest time is getting the onions to caramelize.
Okay.
But it's well worth it. And the longest time means what? 20 minutes? To caramelize them nice and soft. This is bacon.
Yeah, we got to talk about this.
Yeah.
Because we both tried it. And
This
was
is
special.
awesome because it's something sweet, but it's also salty, so it hits you both ways and a little heat.
And a little
Spicy,
heat.
yeah.
I'm guilty of the spice, everybody.
Okay, how did you do your bacon that's in that?
So what I did first was I made candied bacon. So I put the bacon in the oven so it'll be nice and flat with brown sugar and a lot of cayenne. Okay. Then once it's done, take it out, set it aside, dry it off, let it wait. Make your candy mixture, which is really just, you know, corn syrup, and it's bad stuff for you. I just admit it. It's
every
corn
once in a while,
syrup,
come on.
sugar, and all that stuff. Once you get it nice and bubbling, add the bacon in there, and to get it, cook it up to about 300 degrees, and boom. Pour it out. It really takes an hour to get absolutely firm, but it's ready sooner.
Yeah,
It's a party. You're supposed to do it this way.
Eat it, and then the heat
All
comes
right.
later. It's
One
really,
here.
really good.
You got-
And
you got
this
one.
is our limoncello fizz. This is
Ooh.
homemade limoncello, because I'm always kicking it up a notch. And all you do is take any liqueur and then add a little bit of fizz to it.
Any liqueur.
Any
Remember
liqueur,
Talk
and
about
add fizz.
your book, Chef, please.
This is my cookbook, Calabama Cooking. The spinach dip recipe is in there, and there are all kinds of other ones in here that my kids want me to make, like mac and cheese balls. So,
Wow.
good stuff in here. Order your cookbook.
The
We got
lemon
it.
is amazing.
It's really
homemade.
good.
Yeah.
Homemade limoncello.
Chef Lorious, thank you so much for
In the
being here.
cookbook.
ChefLorious.com. Happy New Year to
cheers.
you.
Cheers.
Happy New Year to everyone at home. We're going to take a quick break. Come right back.